How to add a music on your WhatsApp status. The first things first is, of course, access your WhatsApp application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So if you go ahead and directly to updates, this is where you can go ahead and just choose any status that you want. Now, if you tap on my status, as you can see, you can only choose between video, photo, text, and voice. So there is no actual option just for you to be able to just randomly choose any music and it will be inserted to your WhatsApp status. So we'll be using out a specific trick for this option or process to work. So what you want to do is just either use your TikTok, Instagram, or maybe Facebook story. You just have to upload any photos that you have. Does not matter actually. Then just add a specific music that you'd like to be inserted on your WhatsApp status. Now download that in a video form and then go back here and then go to my status, upload it in a video, and you should be able to do the third. And that's how you add music on your WhatsApp status.